The government of Japan has announced its plan to donate 12 units of UH-1J Huey helicopters to the Philippine Army. This agreement, facilitated through discussions between the two nations, marks a significant step in enhancing defense cooperation between Japan and the Philippines. The UH-1J Huey helicopters to be donated are proven variants known for their reliability and versatility, particularly in supporting logistical operations, troop transport, and disaster response. The decision to donate these helicopters reflects Japan's commitment to bolstering the defense capabilities of the Philippines and strengthening the close bilateral relations between the two countries. In an official statement, the Japanese defense minister underscored the importance of this donation as part of joint efforts to enhance stability and security in the East Asian region. He also highlighted the potential of these helicopters in supporting humanitarian missions and disaster response, which are urgent needs for both countries frequently exposed to natural disasters. The receipt of 12 UH-1J Huey helicopters by the Philippine Army is expected to provide a significant boost to their capabilities in various operations, both in peacetime and conflict situations. Moreover, this donation is seen as a step towards deepening the strategic partnership between the Philippines and Japan, strengthening their solidarity in addressing shared security challenges. Officials from both countries plan to continue this cooperation in defense, focusing on technology exchange, military training, and joint efforts to maintain regional stability. This agreement marks a positive beginning in the relationship between the two nations, expected to bring sustained benefits to both parties. The delivery of UH-1J Huey helicopters is scheduled to take place in the coming years, after the necessary logistical preparations and training have been completed. It is expected to make a meaningful contribution to the operational capabilities of the Philippine Army and strengthen the bonds of friendship between the two countries in the future. For the Philippines, the donation of UH-1J Huey helicopters represents a significant enhancement of its military capabilities. These helicopters will bolster the Philippine Army's ability to respond to a wide range of security challenges, including internal security operations, counterinsurgency efforts, and disaster response. The UH-1J's versatility and reliability make it well suited for the diverse operational requirements of the Philippine Army, particularly in the country's rugged terrain and archipelagic geography. Moreover, the donation of UH-1J helicopters is expected to contribute to the modernization and professionalization of the Philippine military. By providing advanced equipment and training opportunities, Japan's donation will help enhance the skills and capabilities of Philippine soldiers, enabling them to operate more effectively in various operational environments. Beyond the bilateral relationship between Japan and the Philippines, the donation of UH-1J Huey helicopters has broader implications for regional defense cooperation in East Asia. The transfer of military equipment and technology between countries fosters greater interoperability and strengthens collective security in the region. As nations face evolving security challenges, such as territorial disputes, maritime security threats, and non-traditional security issues, cooperation among regional partners becomes increasingly important. The donation of UH-1J helicopters serves as a tangible example of the growing defense cooperation among East Asian nations. It demonstrates the willingness of countries in the region to support each other's defense capabilities and contribute to regional stability. Moreover, it highlights the importance of multilateral mechanisms, such as joint exercises, information sharing, and capacity-building initiatives, in addressing common security challenges. The donation of 12 UH-1J Huey helicopters from Japan to the Philippine Army represents a significant milestone in bilateral defense cooperation between the two countries. This gesture of goodwill underscores Japan's commitment to supporting the modernization efforts of the Philippine military and enhancing the country's defense capabilities. Moreover, it reflects the broader trend of increasing defense cooperation among East Asian nations, driven by shared security interests and a commitment to regional stability.